Hello, welcome on supported.com channel. My name is Natalie, and I will be your private assistant during this tutorial. Before you start, make sure all following prerequisites are met. Are you ready? Let's start having fun with SAP. This tutorial will save you some headaches in the future. This technique is very useful when you need to debug a function module call. In our example, we will use custom function module to present this functionality, but FBGENMAC include as part of most BAPs. If you want to save data for standard BAPs, you can jump to steps 5 straight away. Step 1. We need to extend some function module. First, go to transaction SE37, ABAP function modules. Put SE37 in the command field and hit enter. Step 2. Enter the name of the functional module for which you want to enable logging. Click on Change button. Step 3. At the beginning of the function module, add the ABAP code like on the screen. Step 4. Activate your change. Click on Activate button. Step 5. Now we need to add user parameters to user, for which we want log function module calls. In real life it would be probably our FC user or end user that is having some problems with our function module. For tutorial purpose you can use your own user. Go to transaction SU01, user maintenance. Put /and SU01 in the command field and hit enter. Step 6. In user field put username, in my case, it's Pazesco. Step 7. Click on Change button. Step 8. Go to Parameters tab. Step 9. Add FBGENDAT parameter with value. Step 10. Save changes by clicking on Save button. Step 11. The last thing we have to do is activate logging using the FBGENDAT program. Go to SA38, ABAP reporting, put /and SA38 in the command field and hit enter. Step 12. In program field put FBGENDAT. Step 13. Click on Execute button. Step 14. In function module field put function module name for which you want to active logging. In this tutorial we will use earlier created functions _FB example. You can also choose from one of the available logging modules. Click on Activate button. Now every time you will call C_FB example function module, all parameters will be stored in data variant dictionary. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, support our channel and click on like and subscribe button. For more SAP tutorials visit supported.com.